Stock in, stock out, and stock on hand, all calculated for you. This is the inventory management template. You record goods in and out, and the stock figures write themselves. Start by listing your items on the Products tab. One row per item, and the SKU is the key linking every tab. The minimum level is the threshold for low stock alerts. Opening stock is 0, because this item is brand new. When goods arrive, record one row on the Stock In tab. Pick the SKU, and the name fills itself in. You only enter the quantity and the unit cost. The amount multiplies itself out, no formula needed. Sales and write-offs go on the Stock Out tab, picking the SKU in exactly the same way. The type tells apart a sale, damaged goods, a return to the supplier, or a transfer between warehouses. And here is the best part. The Stock on Hand tab is entirely calculated. You type nothing at all. On hand equals opening, plus in, minus out. The item we just added is already there at the bottom. Unit cost is the weighted average of your receipts, and it multiplies straight into the stock value. The status column lights up, red is out of stock, amber is low, and yellow means it has been sitting too long. The Data Check tab audits 10 common problems: unknown SKUs, duplicates, negative stock, or missing costs. Finally, the dashboard, total SKUs, the capital sitting in your stock, what is out, and what is low. The star of the file is the Inventory Alert Center. Everything needing action, sorted by urgency. Out of stock means reorder now. Low stock even suggests the quantity, alongside batches nearing expiry. Scan the code to see more templates.